We're looking at the Planning tab for the key characteristics for your organization or department. Here, your task is to come up with 3 to 4 characteristics that you need people to embody in order to support your mission from the prior step. For reference, that mission is shown here on the lower right so that you don't have to flip back and forth between tabs or pages of your workbook. Typically, what comes out in this phase is a series of short phrases or titles that mean something to the team going through the exercise, such as these. In the Details column, be sure to flesh out what those phrases mean for the organization to make them more behaviorally specific, such that you can identify when the characteristics are present in people you might interview to join your team. Finally, put numbers on the left in rank order that these need to appear. The text blocks show as your proposed characteristics. To use them, press the Publish button and you'll be taken to the scoring page where you can evaluate whether each of the key characteristics satisfies each of the 3 quick checks. Leaving a 0 where you miss a check makes it easy to flag what you still need to go back and address later. Pressing the Planning button lets you go back a step where you can easily change the order by renumbering the left column. The red marker indicates that the proposed and published values are out of sync. You can also add a 4th characteristic by putting a 4 in the left column. Republishing shows the changes, and in this case, also increases the maximum possible score for the key characteristics based on having enabled the 4th criteria.